The packing assistant is there to help us complete orders. It reduces the number of mistakes in packing and speeds up the whole process. The automatic actions of a given BaseLinker account are also useful here. In our case, the Academy account is configured in such a way that all collected orders are automatically transferred to the assigned packing station. To start the packing assistant, we can do it by scanning the code or select Pack from the list of orders. We can scan the order or the cart. We will scan the order. As you can see, the scanned order appeared on our assistant. The packing assistant is a little different from the picking assistant. However, in the upper left corner, we also have information about how many orders we pack. Below, we have a specific order section. Additionally, we have information here that this order was recently packed by another employee, but has not been completed. Below, we have information, comments on this order, and the method of delivery. In addition, our system allows you to automatically adjust the carton based on the dimensions entered next to the product in our BaseLinker storage. Such information facilitates the generation of a label, for example, due to a given size. We can mark the products in the order by scanning the product or manually checking them. In our case, we select them manually. We can use a plus or a minus to select such orders, or mark the entire list of products here as packed. As you can see, it triggered automatic actions on our account. We can also issue a courier label for this order. We have information that the label has been created correctly. In addition, we can also issue a commercial document from this perspective. We also have information that the automatic actions were performed correctly and the client received an email with his commercial document. This is how we pack the order. We can delete this view. We now have the option to scan the next order or card, or, for example, verify what products have been recently collected. We do it in the bottom right corner. The appearing window shows us what profile has collected products, whether the carts were used, and the number of orders. On the right side, we can pack such an order. As you can see, the next order to be packed has been displayed. We run the same automatic actions, issue a label, and issue a commercial document. We have quickly completed all the processes that should be performed during the packing of our order. We can select further orders. We choose the status of the order. Let it be Station 1. We click Pack. We have 5 orders that need to be packed. In the left section, we can enter each order individually and check what products it includes. We have matching cardboard. We have information about what products should be included. We can mark such an order as packed. From this level, we issue a label, issue a commercial document, and such an order is completed and can wait for the courier to be picked up. At the top of the screen, we can quickly navigate to the order we are packing. The administrator of our account can display a lot of information in the packaging assistant. Thus, we will not have to enter the order card. We can return from a given order to the packing assistant. We still have 3 orders to pack. Let's go to the order list for now. We will refresh. As you can see in our stand, we only have 3 more orders to pack. In the Shipping group and Ready to Ship tab, we have the 5 orders that we have packed. Let's go to the order card. In the Shipment section, we have information that the package has been sent. In the history of picking and packing, we have information that packing has been completed on the first station. There is also a user who did it. Let's check our process of issuing a commercial document. Let's go to the invoice. As you can see, it was made for the placed order from the perspective of the packing assistant. Let's get back to our status. In addition, the icons on the list of orders have information here that the shipment is issued and an invoice is also issued. We're closing. While we were packing the order, we did not create an invoice and a courier label for one order. We can return to such an order by simply entering the packing assistant once more. We mark a given order, select the packing assistant from the list, and click Pack. We are back in our assistant. We have information that the order is packed. We issue a label. And issue a commercial document. We leave the assistant. The icons already show the information that the label and the commercial document have been made. Let's mark these orders and change their status as shipped orders. We return to our first station. On the list of orders, we can check that the order is collected. That is, it is ready to be packed. Let's turn on the packing assistant. We can issue a label or issue a document for the order, as we have done before. We pack the order, go to the order card. We have confirmation that the package has been sent. As you can see, the commercial document is also generated. In addition, in the history of collecting and packing products, we have information that the change of the packaging status is complete. The educational account is set up such that it has automatically transferred orders to ready-to-ship status. If the courier would pick up such an order and the shipping status would be changed, it would automatically go to the shipped status. Let's go back to our first station. We have 3 more orders left to pack. This time we mark the orders that we want to pack manually. We click Pack. We have 3 orders to pack in our view. We mark them as packed, issue a label, issue a document. We can proceed to the next order manually, or, for example, ask the administrator to configure automatic progression after packing. Below, it is also worth paying attention to the station at which we pack. You can check the packing station here. We are at the first station. All our orders are packed and waiting to be picked up by the courier.